Why, oh, why are you guys paying so much for your Pokemon cards? It's insane. Today I'm going to go through exactly how you can save money buying. Well, this doesn't just apply to Pokemon cards. This applies to everything, okay? I'm going to show you on the screen exactly how I do it, exactly why you guys are paying so much and why you shouldn't be. Now, let's just have a look at two of the big boys in everyone's thoughts, in everyone's dreams. We'll talk about the two big Charizards. Now, 3,600, 3,200, 3,100. Like, I know this is the big boy, but come on, guys, $3,000, and this is only a week ago, 2 weeks ago. There you go, a week to 2 weeks ago, we're paying $3,000. Now let's fast forward to today and have a look. Now, okay, we got a 900 there, 943. There's 1,000. So 940, 917. Well, there's what you should be paying, okay? So, and this is only a week later. A week later, we're paying a third of the price for the exact same Pokemon card. Now, that is absolutely insane kinds of monies. Let's have a look at the gold Charizard, the next best big card. $2,000, 2,300. Like, that's a freaking big chunk of change. Okay, 1,900, yeah, right. Now, once again, this is only a week ago. 1,900, 1,800, yeah, a week ago. All right, let's go. See, that's sad. That's sad to me. I'm sorry. I ain't paying that. Let's have a look to today. Now, what's this? 600, hey? 600? Man, that's so we've gone from 1,500 down to 600 price tag in 1 week. 1 week, guys. Okay, there you go. Just a few days ago, 800. Yesterday, 800. Man, what are you guys doing? You're paying way too much for your Pokemon cards. So I've found, there you go, there's one under $600, and that deserves a big smiley face. I'd rather pay $600 than $1,500, wouldn't you? Oh, well, okay, let's have a look at the Gardevoir popular card. This has been out a month or so, so $1,400 on release week. A lot of money. A lot of money, guys. 1,400. We got 1,500 there. Yeah, 1,529. 1,529 again. It's a lot of money. $2,000. $2,100 for a gold Gardevoir. Gardevoir. What a dumb name. Anyway, that's what they're doing. Let's go forward. Have a look. 400. 400. Wow. From $2,000 down to 400. That's $323. Look at this. Like, that's sad. $323, and someone paid $2,000 for this thing. That's not good. And look, it even works with the older cards. Let's go back to 151 when everyone wanted the Charizard. I wanted this card, but I waited. I've actually just bought one. I actually bought two in the same day. Now, let's have a look. So we're on, let's look up PSAs. Let's keep it conservative and look up PSA 9s. Okay, so we'll just keep it, you know, a bit conservative. PSA 9, you'll get it a lot cheaper than a 10, obviously, but it's more affordable. Okay, so we're in the $800 mark, $900 on release week. Okay, now we're dropping down. We're starting to drop down to 7s. Okay, and let's have a look at today. Now, we're in the 400 mark already. We've dropped nearly half the price already. There's one for 450 there, just selling. Only a day ago. So there you go, 462, 450 is looking like the price. See if we can do better than that. I know we can because I bought them. Here we go, down here, 2 days ago, 390. Now, in all fairness, guys, I actually did buy that. And I actually did buy the one under it too, so happy face for me. Now, let's have a look at the one everyone wants. I even want it. I've actually only bought it in Japanese because I couldn't fathom the type of money an English one gets. But look at this, in release week, we're looking at $1,200 for Bubble Mew. Bubble Mew. Really cool card. Looks fantastic. 1,200, 14, 1,500. That's insane. $1,500 for a PSA 9 Bubble Mew in English. Sad face. I don't want to pay that. No. Let's go forward to today now and let's have a look here. Here's one here just sold, 460. That's American, so it brings us up to 700. Well, a lot better than 1,200, isn't it? Like, I still don't want to pay it. I'm happy with my Japan Bubble Mew at the moment, but look, 688. We don't seem to be dropping below the $800 mark much. So $795, I can find one. I'm happy with that. I won't pay it, but if you guys are looking, it's out there. And guys, stop paying so much. Stop buying the hype of when these things come out, okay? Just wait a little bit. I just proved to you then, you've only got to wait 2 weeks and you can be saving 50% of your money, half your money, okay? Don't pay these big exorbitant prices, all right? There are bargains out there to be had if you just wait. That is called FOMO, fear of missing out. And you're jumping in too soon and you're wasting your hard-earned money, okay? You can buy these things a lot cheaper. Go up and have a look at these videos up here, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, because I'm giving away tips for free.